This tutorial turns a photo into a traditional oil painting without using heavy filters. Start by duplicating the portrait and applying oil paint with minimal stylization. Then use the mixer brush tool to manually soften edges, blend tones, and create expressive strokes. Add canvas texture using a high-resolution fabric image set to overlay. Paint subtle highlights on the nose, lips, and forehead using a small soft brush on low flow. Slightly blur the background to mimic depth of field in classical art. The result is a warm, artistic portrait resembling a